Welcome back. I have another almost tutorial for you. Cheers. Open the website Stable Diffusion. This website generates AI-generated images based on keywords. You can play around with different word combos and make some crazy art pieces. Today we will make a mech. This is one I made before I like, so we will use this one. Okay, now all I am doing is opening the image up in Ibis Paint and enhancing the image because this will be the actual texture. You can use Photoshop or any image app, but I like free software. You could change the colors if you want. I think I'm satisfied, so let's save it. Original versus the new one. The image enhancement isn't really necessary to do this. Okay, open the free 2D to 3D website Monster Mash. Import image here. You might need to play around with this app to get the best results. Here is the technique I have used that works well. Draw a complete line around the main body and complete the circle before releasing the mouse. We're not done drawing yet, but I want to show it's as easy as clicking inflate to turn it 3D. I am learning as I go. So now you draw each arm and leg, but you want to leave the start point and end point open after drawing and close to the body where a bone joint would be. I fixed it after, but this first attempt had a couple problems. First problem, for the arms I crossed into the body too far down, which you want to avoid. The second problem, I didn't draw into the main body far enough for it to be connected well. You can see at the separation in the leg. And here where the arm didn't separate from the body well. I'm going to redraw it with my camera off to fix it, but I will show you the final drawing. Notice the better separation of arm from body. And here notice how I left the arm joint separated and not closed, and I drew the lines well into the main body. Key point reminder: the main body is a closed circle drawing. The arms and legs drawings do not get closed. Now we are ready to hit inflate and make it 3D. Here is the magic. Before you export your object out, try to place it into a T-pose as much as possible. We do this to make it easier to rig. This looks good. Click this area to export your model out. You can export as an OBJ file, or you can export as a GLB file. But you will notice you cannot export as a GLB until you click the animation button first. I didn't create any animations in this website application because I prefer to animate in Unity game engine, so just say one frame for the animation, which is all you need to export as GLB. Here is what we have so far. You notice the texture on both sides.
Someone peeking at you.
Okay, open Actric or AccuRig. AccuRig is free and amazing. Drag and drop your saved file here. Center line hit rig. Once done, try to adjust the points the best you can to match your 3D model. Just keep clicking through. When you get to fingers, I put 0 because this model doesn't have well-defined fingers, so it is just easier. Once it's done, you can check it before exporting and make changes to the points, if needed, before exporting the mode. Here is your save screen. I say Unity instead of Maya because it is my preferred animator. Drag and drop your model into Unity. Always remember to go to the Rig tab in the inspector and change the rig to Humanoid. Hit Apply. Then go to Materials and hit Location, use External, then Apply.
Drag and drop to a scene.
Position and play around.
Make sure you assign an animation controller. Also make sure you have animations assigned. Hit play, player. I made some changes and rendered the video out. Here is the final video. Please like and subscribe. I would love some feedback. Any feedback on what you guys want to see or learn. Peace.